In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-time frame analysis on TradingView. Start by going to TradingView. You should already be logged in, so once the site opens, you'll be on your main dashboard. This is the starting area where you can access charts and tools. Move to the top menu and click Products. A drop-down will open. From that menu, select Supercharts. That opens the full charting workspace, which is where you'll set up the multi-time frame view. Now, go to the top left area of the chart and click the current symbol name. This opens the symbol search box. Type BTCUSD, then press Enter. The chart updates to Bitcoin against the US dollar. Next, go to the bottom area of the chart and find the current time frame label. It may show something like 1D. Click that label to open the time frame dropdown. In the list, look under Minutes, then click 15. The chart redraws on the 15-minute time frame, so now each candle represents 15 minutes of price action. With the lower time frame set, go to the top toolbar and click Indicators. This is the button with the FX icon next to the time frame selector. The Indicators window will appear. Click into the search box and type HTF Candle Overlay. As you enter that name, the results list updates. At the top of the dialog, click the Community Scripts tab so you're searching public scripts instead of built-in indicators. From the results, click the top well-rated script to add it to your chart. Once it's added, go to the top right corner of the Indicators dialog and click the X to close the window. Now look at the top left area of the chart where the active indicators are listed. Hover over the HTF Candle Overlay indicator name. A small gear icon will appear. Click that gear to open the indicator settings panel. Inside the settings, find the input for the higher time frame. Depending on the script, this label may say HTF, time frame, or higher TF. Open that setting and select 4 hours. After that, click OK at the bottom of the settings panel. The overlay now displays 4-hour candles directly on top of your 15-minute chart, so you can compare lower time frame movement against higher time frame structure. Next, add the second tool. Go back to the top toolbar and click Indicators again. In the search box, type MTF Bias Table. Wait for the matching scripts to appear, then click the Community Scripts tab. From the results, click the top well-rated one to add it to the chart. If that script shows a study error on the basic plan, close or remove that result and click the next well-rated result instead. Once the script loads, click the X in the top right of the Indicators dialog to close it. You should now see a bias table in one corner of the chart. This table lists multiple time frames and shows directional labels, such as bullish, bearish, or neutral. At this point, glance at the table and check whether most of the rows are showing the same direction. If the 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily rows are mostly aligned in one direction, that means the higher time frames are aligned. Then compare that reading with the HTF candle overlay that is already sitting on your 15-minute chart. Focus specifically on the current 4-hour candle in the overlay and confirm that its body direction matches what the table says in the 4H row. You're looking for agreement between the visual higher time frame candle and the directional label in the bias table. On camera, explain it like this. When the overlay candle and the bias table agree with your intended direction, it's a higher probability setup. When they disagree, stand aside. At this stage, the multi-time frame analysis setup is complete and working on the chart. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full process for using multi-time frame analysis on TradingView beyond basic trend lines.